Hey there, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. Just want to make a quick video lesson. This one's going to be a video lesson on the previous day. Today is Friday. This is going to be on tickers from Thursday. I was busy yesterday and could not make a video lesson, so here it is. I only traded ANGH. We'll go over that in a moment. There's also ISPO, which was a crazy mover as well, around 600%. I believe, or more. I forgot. When I was looking at it at one point, it was like 600%, I think. But yeah, so let's just jump into this. Look at Emrin here. Sorry, another play from yesterday. Okay, yeah. So there's only two good plays yesterday. I traded one of them, and I did not capture the move at all. Here, this is what following your rules does. Sometimes you do miss these parabolic plays. Usually, you know, I preach taking your quick moves, and that definitely is in the market environment that we're in. If it were last year, the year before that, definitely be more patient as volume was insane and they kept holding trend and volume would keep coming in and you would just need to be patient and by the end of the day you'd be up at least 100%. It was insane. That's really looking back what you could have just done. Passed out the whole day and you would have been up. But now you got to take your quick moves. We've seen the past couple months now really just 10-15%, and that is taking majority of the move too. So I've been preaching taking your quick snipes to protect your gains, selling right into the spike. I did that this time and left a lot on the table, 100% at least. So I was taking it, average 13.64, I believe, got out 15.36, almost $2 a share, and then it just rips. Let me zoom into this here, and then let me take you to the daily chart. This is what got me really excited. We had a solid volume momentum shift as well as resistance right around 16. So the way it was holding up and failing to break down, it was a perfect VWAP play. So the reclaim, and I even tweeted about it, saying if this reclaims makes higher lows, I like it. This could retest high day, ideally 15, low 15s. Definitely got way more than I expected, but that high day break, beautiful. Got this solid double bottom. It fails to break down, and from there, the trend is set, and then buyers come in, shorts just get trapped and they get squeezed. And this was, caught off guard, so don't totally regret it, really. Could have been really good money, but it is what it is. Gonna follow the rules because today that would have kept me safe. I didn't trade today. I'll make another video lesson on today's trades, or not trades, but review of today and why I didn't trade. But it happens here. That's kind of the lesson. You're not going to nail every single one. Some of them just take off and you're not going to capture the whole move. You're just going to take a little piece. And that's just part of the game. You got to adapt. When the market heats up and plays like this are normal, definitely hold for much longer. Be more patient. Let the trend really develop. So that's the difference also with markets. So that is ANGH. And then ended up going beautifully right into the 23.10 breakout. That could have been a really nice buy. I hesitated at it. Could have got it nice dip buy opportunity here. Offered a solid $7-10. So yeah. The other crazy play was ISPO. Incredible morning play. This one I don't regret at all for not even paying attention to it. I don't see how I would be playing this if we're being honest. If we're looking here early on, I would be very cautious and hesitant here. And then by the time I would want to trade it, it's already up a good amount on the day as well on low volume. Even though it is holding trend, there is, not a whole ton of volume, which would make me nervous. And it was just halt after halt after halt. What really triggered the squeeze as well here, late day, failed to break down really. So all these shorts here just got trapped. Buyers kept coming in, slowly grinded its way higher, and you get a nice high day break from 60-ish to I think it was 109 was the top or so, 108. So yeah, as you can see, solid trend. Volume keeps coming in, and every time it dips, it comes right back. And here you have it holding up. Every time the volume fades, it doesn't break down. It's still holding up, even after a solid move. So that's showing that even after this strength, it can hold up on low power, low energy. So that means there might be more to come, and when it does come, it will lead to likely higher prices. So that's those two plays. It was kind of, you know, everything lining up. Trend with like all the lessons we talk about volume and the continuation of volume and the price action working together with the trend, how it leads to beautiful short squeezes. So I didn't even go over any news or anything. I'm pretty sure they had news, but just following the chart, thinking of the psychology where the players are. Sometimes it don't always work out. Maybe it's a fake out or whatnot. But in this case, as we can see, strong volume. Once the volume faded, you can see the drop off. Here, it faded, but it totally failed to break down as well. So, like I said in a previous video lesson as well, volume's kind of different depending where it is. It needs the context, it needs the price action. So, gotta keep eye on that. But not to keep rambling here. Beautiful high day break, solid higher lows, volume comes in and it continues to come in, which leads to massive short squeezes. This one's a very low float. So it was rotating nicely yesterday, like almost 3 times. So, just need to line up all your ducks in a row. This one, you got the solid reversal, solid volume, low float, but the potential to test the 16 area when it was around the 12, 13s where I was looking at it. It's kind of holding this area. So you combine those key levels with the intraday, how it shaped up here. I thought 16 might not reach 16, so it might get stuffed earlier. So I was thinking low to mid 15s after a quick fake out of the high day, because that's generally been the pattern of what how stocks have been moving, and that's been paying off nicely. In this case, I left a lot on the table. That's all right. So I don't regret it. I followed my rules. In any other time, this is failing. Volume just kept coming in, and yeah. So I'm just becoming repetitive here. So that's ISPO ANGH. I'll go over today's trades. Not I keep saying trades. I'm so used to trading every single day. I didn't trade today. So yeah, we'll get into those later. But just wanted to show these beautiful spikes from yesterday. Can't ignore them. Got to keep studying these. Good lesson on volume, trend, price action, and as well as the VWAP and high day pattern here. So yeah, we'll just wrap it up and wait for the next video lesson.